The analytical instrumental view on cosmetic products' physical stability in real time and accelerated is today's topic of my talk. My name is Arnold Uhl. I work for the company LUM in Berlin, Germany. There will be a summary and an outlook. One example of an oil and water-based emulsion. Here we can see the real-time separation at gravity as detected in the LUMiReader PSA. We detect the changes of transmission by using 3 wavelengths simultaneously. And we can see in the left part, the near-infrared wavelength detects the changes earlier and more pronounced than the visible red and then the visible blue wavelength. Apart from measurements at constant temperature, we can do real-time testing at gravity with temperature ramping. One example will be shown on the next slide when we apply a temperature ramp from 30 down to 15 back to 30 because of the nature of the cosmetic ingredient. And there will be a second example on the next slide where we have a temperature ramp starting at room temperature, going down to 4 Celsius, up to 80, down to 4, up to 80, down to 4. Formulation, there is no significant change, even if we apply such a temperature ramp and wait for 5 days. What can we do? Do we have to wait for much longer than 5 days? This is one opportunity, but on the other hand, we also may reduce testing time to get quick results. And quantitatively compare the two formulations. We have here the instability index shown for the ramp 40-20-40. We can see the blue formulation, formulation 3, has a low instability index value. The red formulation 5 has a higher instability index value. The higher the value, the more unstable the sample. Even for the inverse ramp 20-40-20, we can record the same ranking. We get again the information, the blue sample, the blue formulation 3 is much more stable than the unstable formulation number 5, which is marked in red. We apply the concepts of ISO TR 13097 and ISO TR 18811. There are many more opportunities of the same instrument. Go to the LUM website, to the publications, to literature link database and search by keyword for many more opportunities of this real-time stability testing and particle characterization instrument LUMiReader PSA. It allows for rapid formulation screening due to the accelerated testing. It saves your time and your money and your storage space because you may significantly reduce the number of formulations for subsequent real-time tests. For further opportunities, have a look at the next slide, please. We were talking about one of the main features of LUMiSizer, but there are many, many more. It is, besides a stability testing instrument, a full particle sizing instrument and has many more opportunities to characterize particles and dispersions, even to perform filtration experiments.